Watch this video to learn about ChatGPT and how it will completely revolutionize your everyday life. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment to let us know what other types of videos you'd like to see. Now, let's explore ChatGPT and its groundbreaking abilities. There have been a lot of movies about the rise of robots to try and show people what the world might look like in the future, but now we're much closer to knowing with the rise of artificial intelligence, and specifically generative AI. So what is generative AI? To put it simply, generative AI is artificial intelligence that can generate new content rather than just analyze or act on existing data. Maybe in the last few weeks you've heard more and more about ChatGPT, the new OpenAI product that, after launching on November 30th, 2022, has been trending on Twitter and has amassed over 1 million members in just 5 days, which is incredible in and of itself. You may be asking, what is OpenAI, and how does this groundbreaking technology function in practice? Here's where it started. The company OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research company established in 2015 by Sam Altman and Elon Musk. Musk stepped away in February 2018 to concentrate on Tesla, but he continues to be a donor and advisor to the company. OpenAI is at the center of generative AI, which has been called the most talked about technology in Silicon Valley in recent months. Maybe you've even been exposed to their other program, DALL-E, which is an AI text-to-image program that generates visuals from straightforward text inputs. Now before we continue, it's crucial to realize that ChatGPT is not the first attempt at an AI chatbot. In 2016, Microsoft released Tay, but during the first day, Twitter users negatively reacted to it, which ultimately led to its demise. Blenderbot 3 was also released by the company, Meta, in August, but it failed for the same reasons and also gave inaccurate answers to questions. Open Moderation API, a technology that helps developers identify content that violates their content policy, such as unlawful or dangerous information, is one way AI is attempting to avoid these kinks. It is not completely accurate, but it surely aids in the effort. In addition to ChatGPT and DALL-E, there is GPT-3, a natural language system that can also write and debate in code, which now brings us to ChatGPT. According to a statement from OpenAI, the organization has developed a model called ChatGPT that interacts in a conversational manner. It enables users to converse with robots in what appears to be natural discourse, but its applications go beyond that. It simplifies complex text into simple concepts and fixes grammar. It repairs Python code problems and turns movies into emoticons. Beta testing for GPT began in November 2021, and it will launch this year as an upgrade to GPT-3 that will not produce any damaging outputs. The software has been trained using artificial intelligence, machine learning, and RLHF, reinforcement learning from human feedback. The UK-based Times newspaper identifies ChatGPT as the first truly useful chatbot the world has seen. This all may appear too good to be real, but we must consider not only the capabilities of the technology but also the difficulties and dangers that it poses to society. Such implications include how people could be the target of generative AI, for example, through deepfake imagery with explicit content or propaganda that raises privacy concerns. This type of generative AI can also force people out of work. DALL-E 2, the text-to-image AI, has now been linked to Shutterstock, which has caused outrage given that people are now competing with AI to sell their photos online. However, this doesn't just apply to photographs. Some claim that ChatGPT's ability to generate human-like written text could spell the beginning of the end for journalism, while others think it may lack the critical or ethical thinking skills needed in the profession. Despite the drawbacks, one must consider the benefits of ChatGPT, like the fact that people who manage online businesses can now use ChatGPT to assist consumers with live chat queries that aren't excessively time-consuming and feel much more natural in helping organizations make sales. Some believe this is the end of Google, considering the notion that instead of scrolling through advertisements, you can just ask a question and get an exact answer. Many in the IT world view the ChatGPT as a glimpse into the future. Generative AI is the next era-defining innovation that will revolutionize how we connect with the internet. The public can access ChatGPT's frequently asked questions, FAQs, for free, but there is speculation that in the future, each request put into ChatGPT might cost. At some point, ChatGPT will probably need to break even, and we may see advertisements on future models that may require small transactions in exchange for use and accessibility. No one can predict the future, but it could result in mass unemployment for anyone in the arts industry. On the other hand, it could simply be a helpful tool for students to use for answers to homework questions. Its rapid climb in just a week and the comparisons to Google and the iPhone have made it worthy of conversation. Whatever the outcome may be, we'd like to welcome you to the future of this new age technology. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment with your thoughts, and let us know what other types of videos you'd like to see.